show you something that I used in the last week or so. My husband and I went on a short cruise of 5 days, and one of our places that we went to was Cuba. And when you go to Cuba, you need a lot more papers and such, and of course you need your passports and things like that. But I wanted a place that I could carry these and be comfortable with. And this is what I came up with. I'm just showing you the top here and now the bottom. And I will open this up. It measures, I should have measured it before. It measures about 12 inches in height. I made it kind of big, but it worked extremely well for me. So this is just a tie on here. And I don't know what's going on with my camera here. Come on now. All right. So tied on the front here, opens up like this. This is one side of it. And on the one side, I've got my pen, and I had a few other things in here too. So there's another picture there. Then when you open up the other side, I'm going to switch it all the way over here so you can see. Let me put this here. These pockets right here are what I put our passports in. So we always had them handy. This was an extra pocket here, and when we bought something or whatever, I went ahead and put the receipts in here so I'd have them and they wouldn't be flying all over the place. The other part about this is, and I've showed you this I think maybe before with something, but I want you to know, is this is a signature like you use in your traveler's notebooks. But there's enough room under here. These are all my papers from there. You have to have visas and all sorts of things. So these are our schedules and our papers, and I was able to just slide them in right underneath here. The other part is the notebook worked extremely well. I was able to write down anything that I needed to write down or things that I wanted to remember. Like I said, there's a place for the pen. The nice part is that this just plain folds up. It's done kind of shabby chic. It's rustic around the edges, and you don't have to worry about it. And it will fit in your purse. And of course, you want to carry it in your purse, especially if you are carrying your passports. We also had to have a visa for there. So that was our trip. Now, in saying that, what I have done is I'm making one for my daughter who's going to be going to Italy, and I have made it a little bit shorter. This one measures 11, and like I said, this one was like 12 and a quarter. So Tracy, you can't watch this, but you probably will anyways. All right, so I haven't got the tie on this, but here's what I've been doing. I've been taking pictures of wherever we're going or wherever they're going and putting them on paper that I can iron them onto the material with. So these are just a couple of the pictures that are on here. There isn't a tie on here yet, but I'm going to put Italy across here. Opens up like this. Here's the pocket for, and this is done on material. Here's the pocket for her passport, and here's for her pens. Open it up, and this is where your signature will go, like it did in the other book. She has another pocket here for receipts and stuff, and then she likes pink, so I did a lot of pink things on here. But I did her a little purse, so if she wants to carry some little things with her, she can. But this has worked out so very well that if you are traveling, and whether you're taking a long or a short trip, or if you're going by car even, if you need your whatever, all your papers and reservations and things, this works out perfectly. This one here is, let me see, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's about 15 inches wide, which is plenty big. for anything. You're still going to fit your signature in here, and you're still going to fix your other things in here. So that should work very well. So I just wanted to show you this so that if you're going to be taking a vacation this year and you want to have something that's compact and all together. Also, the other good thing is that you can, all the brochures you pick up from when you travel, especially if you scrapbook, you pick up all those things, they can go right in here. They can be laid flat, folded over, and ready for you when you get home, all in one place and not scattered all over the suitcase. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know. Leave a comment at the bottom, and if you have any questions, I would be very happy to answer them. And I hope that all of you have a great vacation, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.